Welcome back, I'm John Davis. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money on YouTube by burning your food on the barbecue. We're going to analyse and break it down into steps how to create a successful barbecue cooking channel in order to show that even some of the most obscure niches can make money on YouTube. Now, before I jump into it, I just want you to realise that there's a place for everyone on YouTube. You just have to find your thing. The steps I'm going to show you can be applied to almost any niche or subject and not just a barbecue channel. So with 5 easy steps, let's look at how to make money on YouTube with a barbecue channel. So vegetarians, look away now. In fact, wait a minute, don't go so fast. By making one of these channels but with a twist of maybe using vegetarian and vegan recipes, you're going to be niching down and entering a less competitive market. So keep watching. As you can tell from my accent, I live in the UK, where we average 2.7 days of sunshine per year. Last week we had day 1, where the rain stopped for the day and we decided to have a barbecue. Sadly, my barbecue was covered in rust from when it was last used 3 years ago, so we had to go out and buy a new one. We invited our friends round, and I'm not ashamed to admit this, but I've never had a charcoal barbecue, so I had no idea how to get it started, so I looked at YouTube. This leads me straight into step 1. Create videos that help people with problems and answer their questions. Remember, we're all new to something once. You may take for granted your knowledge on a subject and not feel like an expert, but to some, you are the expert. I now have 10 times the barbecue knowledge that I had a week ago. This channel showed me how to set my coal up. How long do I leave the barbecue to get to temperature? How much coal should I use? Do I need to clean my barbecue for the first time? You notice how many questions I've got going through my head, and we haven't even started with the food yet. Think logically when creating content. What are the questions that people have? Go answer those questions. Step 2 is about the equipment. Now, the channels that I liked aren't high-end technical, huge video productions. They're just normal guys talking to a camera or a cell phone. There are some that use more editing, fancier equipment, but generally everyone starts off really basic. Build as you go. Don't use a lack of fancy technology as an excuse not to start. Now, the next step is a big one and critical to being successful on YouTube, so pay close attention. Now, step 3 is about video structure. Try and break down your video into steps or some kind of sequence. It holds the viewer's attention better and increases that watch time. Now, watch time is a key metric YouTube uses to push people to your videos. The longer people watch your videos, the better, and the more that YouTube will then promote it to a wider audience. Now, barbecue channels are great for this, as are recipes, because there's a clear beginning, middle and end. People don't want to miss any part of it, so they keep watching and increasing the average view duration. Boom! YouTube growth gold. Step 4 is all about you, and I want to really encourage you to just be yourself. Try and add some character to your videos, but this doesn't mean faking a persona, although that does work for some. It means just being you. Show people an insight into your personality and life. Check out this excellent barbecue channel. Now, Malcolm says himself in his trailer that he isn't comfortable on camera, so he treats it just like he's talking to his buddies that are at the grill with him. And that's what a lot of viewers like too. So be you is what you're best at. Step 5, and it's time to show you the money. First up, if you fly through that watch time, then you got to hit the requirements to display adverts on your channel fast. In order to run adverts, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. This means you can allow YouTube to then play an advert and they pass on a percentage of what they earn to yourself. Sites like Social Blade give you a rough estimate of what a channel is earning, which I always find is usually at the top end of their predictions. Now, before we discuss my absolutely favourite monetization strategy that is applicable to everyone, let's talk about merch. When you reach a certain size, you can integrate your channel with Teespring, again taking a percentage of what is earned when people click on them links and go and buy t-shirts or various other merchandise that are presenting your designs. But you can actually do this from day 1 just without the YouTube integration. You just go to a site like Redbubble and create your designs on there, then add a link in your description. So if someone wants a t-shirt with your brand on it, put a link in there and they can go and buy one. But perhaps the best way to make money on YouTube with a barbecue channel is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend a product. If someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. It's a referral process, but look in the links of these popular channels. they're linking to barbecue suppliers, Amazon and various other companies that are related to that niche, rightly earning a cut of the pie. Now you don't have to go into full sales pitch either, just leave the links showing what equipment you used. As people watch the videos you're showing them, they see what works for you, and if it's good enough for you, a barbecue expert, then it's good enough for them too. But that's just the start of it. Long term, you can get paid sponsorships, free goodies, you can build your own brand. The world is your barbecue coated oyster. If you want some more YouTube channel ideas or you want to learn more about how to make money with affiliate marketing, then check out the next videos and the links in the description. I'll see you on the next video.